Congratulations on receiving your Vocal Point Meter blood glucose monitoring system. The Vocal Point Meter is one of the latest blood glucose meters in audible technology today. To get started, make sure all the contents are included inside the box that you'll need to set up and manage your glucose testing system. You should have received a black pouch containing your Vocal Point Meter, 2 AAA batteries, an owner's manual, a logbook, a quick reference guide, and warranty card. Please take the time to fill out the warranty card completely and mail it back as soon as possible. This will ensure your meter's warranty. The Vocal Point Meter has several parts that you should become familiar with. The ejection button, used to eject the used test strips. The data port, which connects your meter to a computer. The memory button, that's used to turn on the meter and to enter the memory mode. The repeat button, used to replay the displayed result on the screen. An earphone jack. Up and down buttons used to adjust settings and speaker volume. The set button, used to set up your meter. The main LCD screen where data will be displayed. And the area where you'll insert the test strip. Turn your meter over and remove the battery cover by locating and pressing down the tab while lifting out the cover. The battery should be installed as indicated by the battery compartment. You'll hear a beep and see the display turn on briefly with the date and time format displayed. Replace the battery cover. To program your meter, press and hold in the S button for approximately 5 seconds until you hear the meter turn on.
You're now in setting mode. Voice is turned off.
The first setting is the voice volume. This is adjustable from 0 to 7, with 0 being the volume turned off. To adjust the volume, simply press the up button to the appropriate volume level. Or press the down button to lower the volume. Once the volume is set, press the S button to advance to the next setting, the year. To set the proper year, press the up or down button until the proper year is displayed. Then press the S button to advance to the next setting. To set the proper month, press the up or down button until the proper month is displayed. Once the month is set, press the S button to advance to the next setting. To set the proper day, press the up or down button until the proper day is displayed. Then press the S button to advance to the next setting. To set the hour, press the up or down button until the proper hour is displayed. Once the hour is set, press the S button to advance to the next setting for minutes. To set the minutes, press the up or down button until the proper minutes are displayed. Once the minutes are set, press the S button to advance to the next setting. The unit of measurement. The U.S. standard of measurement for blood glucose level is milligrams per deciliters, or abbreviated as mg/dl, while the European standard of measurement is millimoles per liter, or mmol/L. To set the unit of measurement, press the up or down button until mg/dl is displayed. Once the unit of measurement is set, press the S button to advance to the next function, which is the temperature format. Set the proper temperature unit. Press the up or down button until F for Fahrenheit is displayed. Then press the S button. The meter is set not to delete the memory records. Do not clear the memory records of the meter unless you're advised to. To complete the final settings of your meter, press the S button. The meter will then summarize all the settings we've completed, then we'll shut off.
Today's day is Thursday, March 4th, 2010. The time is 1:59 p.m. Blood glucose unit is milligrams per deciliter. Temperature unit is degrees Fahrenheit. Voice volume is 5. Have a nice day.
The purpose of performing a control solution test is to verify the accuracy of the meter, test strips, and the technique of the operator. You should run this test whenever a new vial of test strips are opened, if the meter is dropped, or if the meter provides questionable results. The supplies required to run a control test are test strips, vial of control solution, and tissues. Since there are 2 levels of control solutions available, the distributor may send you either control solution. It doesn't matter which control solution is used. Control solution is color-coded for easy reference. Our low control has a yellow cap and is labeled low. Our high control has a red cap and is labeled high. First, open a vial of test strips by removing the tamper seal and opening the cap. Please remember, once they're opened, the test strips have an open vial shelf life of 90 days. It's recommended that you write the date on the vial when it's opened. Start by placing a new test strip into the meter with the black side facing up. This will turn on the meter.
Thank you for using this product.
Summarize the meter's date, time,
Today's
and
date is
temperature.
Thursday, March 4, 2010. The time is 2:12 p.m. The room temperature is 81 degrees Fahrenheit.
You'll hear an indication to apply the blood to the test strip
Please apply blood onto the test strip.
with a picture of a test strip and a flashing drop. Next, press the memory button M once, and CTL will appear toward the bottom of the main display. This indicates that you'll be taking a control solutions test, and the control result will not average into your glucose readings. Verify which control solution you're using. For our demonstration, we're using a low control solution, which has a yellow cap. Slightly mix up the solution by inverting it several times. Remove the top. Discard the first drop into a tissue and wipe the tip of the bottle off. Next, squeeze a drop of the control solution onto a clean, dry surface, such as the top of the control solution cap. Holding the meter at an angle, touch the tip of the test strip to the drop of control solution. Once the meter starts to count down, remove the strip away from the drop. The meter will count down from 6 seconds to 0, and then will display the test result. Verify your control test results against the values printed on the outside of the test vial, keeping in mind which level you just ran. A result that falls into this range indicates that everything is functioning properly. Now, eject the used test strip by utilizing the strip ejection button on the left side of the meter to dispose of the used strip. This will turn off the meter as well. Performing a blood glucose test is as easy as 1, 2, 3 with your Vocal Point blood glucose monitor. To perform a blood glucose test, you'll need the following items: test strips, lancing device, lancets, and tissues. First, clean the site to be tested. An alcohol prep pad is recommended. Washing your hands with warm soapy water is also acceptable. Make sure it's dry when you're finished. Holding the lancing device, unscrew the top of the device and insert a new lancet into the device. Next, twist off the top of the lancet and remove it. Replace the top of the lancing device and adjust the lancing device to the proper comfort level for testing. Level 1 for a shallow puncture, 3 for a normal puncture, and level 5 for maximum puncture depth. Next, cock the device by pulling the barrel away from the top. You'll hear a click, signaling the device is ready to fire. Load a new test strip into the meter, with the black side facing up. This will turn on the meter displaying the letters CHK.
Today's date is Thursday, March 4, 2010. The time is 2:14 p.m.
A temperature reading,
is 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Please apply blood onto the test strip.
a flashing drop alongside a picture of a strip. Hold the lancing device firmly on the site to be tested and press the blue button on the lancing device to fire it. You should feel a slight prick and then a drop of blood will form on your finger. Holding the meter at a slight angle, touch the tip of the test strip to the drop of blood, holding it there until the meter starts the countdown from 6 to 0. For proper technique, hold the strip to the site for several seconds to assure you get the proper amount of sample. After 6 seconds, your glucose result is displayed. Another great feature of the Vocal Point meter is the repeat button. While the result is displayed on your meter, push the arrow button to repeat this result. Record your result in the logbook provided. Use the strip ejection button on the left side to dispose of the used test strip. Once the strip is removed, the meter will turn off. Your Vocal Point meter comes with a 450 test memory feature. To access your meter's memory feature, press the Memory M button located in the front of the meter. This will turn on the meter and go through the audible setup for memory.
Today's day is Thursday, March 4, 2010. The time is 3:03 p.m. Press M key for memory recall mode.
When prompted, press the M button to access the memory results. The most recent test, which will be noted as 01, will be the specific date and timestamp that test was run. To retrieve additional results in the meter's memory, press the Up button one time, and this will display the second recent test. Keep in mind, the Vocal Point meter will store up to 450 test results. To exit from the meter's memory mode, simply press and hold down the M button for several seconds until you see the meter turn off. Your Vocal Point meter is capable of recalling 6 different day averages within the memory. There are 7-day, 14-day, 21-day, 28-day, 60-day, and 90-day. Start off by pressing the Memory M button once. You'll hear the meter go through the introduction and indication of memory recall mode. Once you see a flashing picture of an M on the display, press and hold the Memory M button until you see the day average appear on the display. At this point, release the button. You will hear the meter indicate the specific day average mode, which is 7 days, the specific day average value, and the number of tests in that mode. To advance to the next day average mode, press the up arrow key one time, and the values will be displayed 14 days for this example. To continue recalling your remaining day averages, pressing the up arrow key each time will allow you to display the averages. Please remember, the averages are date sensitive, so having your meter's date set properly is important. To exit out of the memory mode, you can simply let the meter turn off automatically after 3 minutes, or simply press and hold the M button for several seconds until the meter displays off, and then release the button. Congratulations once again on using the Vocal Point blood glucose meter for your daily testing needs. If you are in need of any technical support, please contact our customer service department at 1-877-787-2435.